Well, hello and welcome. So if you are just joining us, we are almost at that midway point where we are learning 25 songs the first 25 days in the month of December. So I want to say welcome, and we are going to find out today what the new pieces we're going to be learning. So today we are learning the piece for the 9th of December, and let's find out what we're going to learn today. So we're going to be learning I Heard the Bells on Christmas Day. Oh, that is just such a beautiful piece. I am so excited to start learning this piece with you. So before we continue, I want to quickly introduce myself. I am Monta Monique, founder and creator of MoveOverMozart, the only place where you can learn music how you want, where you want, and when you want. Now, this 25-day challenge is kind of like a little happy holiday gift from me to you, from MoveOverMozart family to your family. Now, some of you might be thinking, now that's a bit of a challenge, and you're right, it is. But I've written the pieces, so whether you are a beginner or a new beginner, or if you're that person who's coming back to music just because you love it, you will find a piece that you will really enjoy playing. Now, there is a free download. So go download that piece right now so you can play along with me, because we're going to play the piece. Now, some of the pieces you may be familiar with and some of them might be new to you, but I promise you there is a piece that everyone will love to play. Now, for those of you who want a little bit more instruction, there are lessons that go into a bit more detail for each piece, and I want to share with you briefly how we do that. So we start with our right hand, we practice our right hand only, and then we practice our left hand, and then we put our hands together. And at any point in the lesson, if you have a comment or a question, just leave it down below for me and I will get back to you. And if you're watching this over on YouTube, don't forget to click the notification bell, because we are learning a new piece for 25 days in December. And of course, subscribe, because there are wonderful tips and tricks all about music just for you. You can also find me over at Instagram at #MoveOverMozart. So if you are ready to start making some wonderful holiday music, then let's begin. And now for a song I'm sure you all love, I Heard the Bells on Christmas Day.